Hey fam, welcome back to another video. Today is April 7th and we have school, and then Nora and I are working tonight, so that's what's up today. So let's go ahead and get on into this video. You're so funny. You're so funny. You just want pets, don't you? Nice to meet you. You're so funny. Look at the dog. Why do you always have to go in my pillows? Why? 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 I love you, but why? So a rocket went off today, which you just saw, and then I ate lunch now it's back to school. I'm writing a paper right now. Yay. So I finished writing my paper and Mom has to come home and read it, like proofread it for me. And then let's see. I have like 30 minutes before we have to go babysit, so I'm just gonna chill until then. So I'll probably see you guys after babysitting. So we are done with babysitting and I am going to go to bed now. See you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.